about heartache and being blue. Empty chairs in an empty room. It's all deserted without you. And I'll keep making mistakes. Another woman, another heartbreak. And it won't ever change. Still I'm broken, the pain remains. I will write a song or two about heartache and being blue. I just don't know what I'm to do, as it is hurting through and through. And I'll keep making mistakes. Another woman, another heartbreak. And it won't ever change. Still I'm broken, the pain remains. Still I'm broken, the pain remains. Gee, ain't it heavy, this big bad world of ours? It's been crime and death and pillaging since the start. We've been bashing each other's brains and we've been fools and we've been cowards. And I almost forgot to mention all the wars. The trees are gone, the animals too, and the rivers are dry. But there's money to be made so we don't care. There's diseases, plagues and pestilence we've been dominated by. And in the end, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Gee, ain't it frightening, this doomed and dying earth? Forest fire, tsunamis and hurricanes. Being brainwashed by the media since the days of our birth. We've been driving cars and we've been flying planes. Our leaders are pure evil, they're all wicked and vile. And they won't start mouth the corporations too. There's misleading, cheating, two-timing and nothing but lies. And in the end, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. But maybe we can turn around, save this place, this holy ground we're on. Heal the world, make it a better place for you, for me, the entire human race. But until that day comes, I'll be singing this song. En de mensen thuis mogen ook meezingen, toch Willem? And we're all gonna die. We're all gonna